my viewers and my subscribers. How are you doing? Welcome back to another videos. All of my viewers and my subscribers, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for telling a friend. All right, bless up yourself every time. Today I'm going to bake some chicken in coconut milk. All right, and cinnamon and my seasoning. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. Just watch as I go. All right, how is it going so far? Yes, my viewers and my subscribers, if you're hearing a noise, it's my washing machine. All right, so guys, this is my chicken. I show already how I season my chicken, but the video got lost somewhere along the line, so I have to do it over how I season my chicken. So this is my seasoned chicken. All right, let me show you. And I put some, I don't put a lot of seasoning, and this is my seasoning that I use on it. Some pimento and some salt. But I didn't take it out before. And this is my ginger and my Maggi seed. That's all the season I use on my meat. All right, you can see. And this is my meat. So I'm going to bake it. All right, this is my meat. That's all I put on it. So I'm going to bake it. And then after I bake it, I'm going to put it on a tray and finish the baking. So let's continue the process now. All right. So over here I have my ginger. That's the washing machine making nice, guys. We have to do what we have to do. And where are you watching this from? Okay, just make a comment. All right. These are my onion. So I'm just going to cut it big like this. All right. These are my scallion, not onion. Sorry. These are my onion. All right. So I'm going to put it there. And you can also call it green onion. Some people call it green onion also. All right. So this is all my season. I'm gonna have my cinnamon stick as usual. And this is my also cinnamon stick. And I'm going to use some cloves and garlic. No, cloves and rosemary and thyme in it. Okay. Yes, my subscribers. Sorry about the noise with my machine. But we have to do what we have to do, guys. So here's my chicken. Can you see? That's my chicken. And these are my seasoning. All right. So I put some seasoning already on it. These are my seasoning. Put some seasoning on it already, if you can see. All right. So these now, I'm going to, after I put the meat in, I'm going to put the seasoning. Okay. Also, I have some corn here. And guys, no butter or nothing. I'm not going to put any grease in it because it has its own grease. But if you want to put it on it, that's fine. That's okay. You can see? See that it has some season on it already. And these are my season that I use. I did, as I said before, I did a video with the season, how I season my meat and thing. And guys, I don't know what happened to the videos. I really don't know. But that's okay. So I'm going to put some more season on it. Okay, so these are my cinnamon stick. And guys, as you get older, you learn a lot of stuff. As life gets on, or as we get older, we learn a lot of new cookings, guys. These are my cinnamon. Though this is my cloves and my cinnamon also, and my rosemary. And I boil it frozen it. You can see, frozen it and put them in a, take them from the cube one. Okay, so I just put it on it like this. You can see, and this is my ginger and my green onions or scallion. All right, guys, and my garlic. So this is what I do. All right, guys, you can see. So when I do it this way and get out a lot of oil, a lot of grease. Okay, guys, and I have some, my oven is already ready. I have some corn here, so I'm going to put some corn in it also. All right, my sauce. I have some water. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, put them in now. I'm going to put some sauce on it. You can see it's all brown. I need this get on. So what I did, I bake it in there, and then I'm going to put some sauce and put it back for another 5 minutes, guys. Nice scallion, come on. Oops. Nothing left. So guys, this is what left over with the corn and everything, so we can use this for the gravy. Okay, so let me turn back my oven. So I'm going to put a little salt. This is a ketchup. Put some water in it. You can see, guys. This is ketchup. I want to make it spicy, that's okay. Get your little brush. Oh, you're not seeing it well? Okay, let me put this out. Okay. And guys, I use a lot of ginger. You want to put the corn on this and put ketchup on it? No. Okay. All right, so let me put it on the other side. No, put water on this, just a little water. Oh, this did not get in. And this is a barbecue or grilled chicken, whatever. Put water on it. Just scrape it out. Just put some water on it. Sauce nice. Yeah. Look at this, guys. Yeah, my daughter said the sauce is nice. Guys, we have to make fashion to make something nicer. Look at it. So I'm going to put it in the oven for 5 minutes. Tastes so good. It smells so good, guys. You see? Put the water on it. So I'm just going to put it for 5 more minutes. All right? Yes, my viewers and my subscribers, this is my finished product now. And I have some sauce here with the coconut milk. You can see the sauce there with the coconut milk. All right. So look at it now. Let me show you. So this is my corn, guys. This is my corn, and I put on my chicken. All right. No oil. You can see no oil, guys. I don't put no oil. All the oils are drained from it. Doctor cut me off those oils, so I have to just be careful whatever I eat. No, so it's no oil. So for you to get off the oil, guys, you have to bake your chicken. All right. So this is my finished product. All right. Do you want some? Just let me know where you're watching from, and have you ever tried this before? So after now, you can make your own sauce and put it on it. All right, guys. Thank you, my viewers and my subscribers. You can have peace, okay? And remember, I put ginger, garlic, scallion, and Maggi seasoning salt, and that's it. Nothing much on a corn or so. So you put your own sauce, your own season, whatever you want to put on it. That's okay. So this is my finished baked chicken. All right. Love you guys, and you take care. And remember, so tell your friend to subscribe to my channel, guys. I want my channel to go, to just keep growing, guys, and I'm depending on you to let my channel grow. I thank you for subscribing. Just tell somebody else to subscribe to my channel. All right, then. Love you guys, and remember to put God first in everything that you do. And I appreciate everything, every comment, everything that you do, every likes, whatever, whoever subscribe. I appreciate it and I love you. God bless you. Take care of yourself. This is my finished product. Bye bye. See you in my next video.